Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You want to start by securing legal access. Search the show title on the network app and major services so you know where it's licensed. Once you find a provider, make sure your account is active and payment info is current, or start a free trial if eligible. If streaming isn't available in your region, look for legitimate purchase options per episode or check your public library's digital catalog for borrowing. This avoids piracy and ensures stable playback. Once you have access, set up the device you'll use to watch. Sign in on the app or website and pick a primary device to avoid repeated logins. Configure playback quality based on your internet. Choose 720p or 1080p, or use auto to conserve bandwidth. Enable subtitles or audio descriptions as desired. If you plan to watch offline, download the episode within the app before you go offline, and make sure you have sufficient storage and the latest app version. Start the episode and do a quick check. Confirm audio and subtitles are synced, and adjust volume and display settings for comfort. If buffering occurs, first switch to a lower resolution, then test other devices or restart your router. Move closer to the Wi-Fi source or use a wired connection if possible. If DRM or playback errors persist, update or reinstall the app, clear cache, and contact the provider's support. This usually resolves authorization or compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.